going to be building a Lego quad bike. So, you get this piece, and then you get a wheel. You put the wheel in the tyre. And then you do it again with the second one you have. Oh. You put that in there, and then you get that on, and then put the other wheel in there, and then you do it with the last one, and then you get this piece, and you put it there, and you do the same for this one. You put it there, and then you do get this piece, and you put the wheels on there as well. Then you get this piece, and then you put it right there, and then you get this piece and you put it on there. So that's going to be the front of the quad bike, and then you get this piece and put it on there. Then you get this piece and put it on there, and then you get this piece and put it on there too. Oh, and you put it on there. So now that's the base. You put this there. So that's all. So it's almost done. You put this square piece, this rectangle flat piece there, and then you do the same for this one, only a bit further on, and then you get this piece and put it on there. I mean this piece and put it on there. And then you get this piece and put it on there. Last but not least, you get the fuel tank and put it on there. And then you have your Lego quad bike.